Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, my name is Sandy Cruz, and I am the creator of the iPlanner, the iJournal, iDesign Keynote Shapes, and a whole lot more. What you're looking at right now on my screen is something new that is in the DSi store, and this isn't just a product launch that I'm bringing you. I'm going to bring you a tip also. So stay tuned so that you can learn something new. So what I want to start off with is to show you how to use these new elements that are in the store. These are iPlanner Dangles, and they come in a variety of colors. We've got gold and silver, rose gold, copper, pewter, and then an array of really fantastic colors. So what would you use these for, you ask? Well, for those of you that want to put a little pop on your page, you can hang these from the iPlanner signature spiral, and you can dangle either DS GoodNotes stickers, or you can use the iDesign Keynote Shape. So let me, there's one that I already made up, and here it is. And for this one, I just used the Be Mine iDesign Keynote Shapes, and then I used the rose gold dangle. This dangle, it comes like this. As you can see, it's not notched out. So when you put it over your spiral, it doesn't look very realistic. However, I'm going to show you a trick at the end of this video, how to notch that out so that it looks realistic. All right, but first, let's go get a dangle, and so that you can really see it and it really pops. Let's use this purple one. So I'm just going to lasso it, tap it, and copy it. This is my original sticker sheet, and I like to keep my sticker sheets all organized in my stickers category so that I can scroll through and see everything I have. And I have all the stickers and all the freebies and the elements, and I can just scroll through and see what I want to use. All right, so since I already copied that, let's use Hadley. This is one of the new 2020 iPlanners. This is Hadley Weekly Vertical. Hadley is a colored planner, and it comes in 5 layouts. You can get Hadley in either the daily weekly, the weekly vertical, the weekly horizontal, and the weekly vertical hourly. I think I covered all 5 of them there. All right, so I am going to navigate to, well, since 2020 hasn't started yet, let me just go to January, and I'll go to the first week of January. So now I'm going to paste this charm dangle on my second spiral, and now I need some charms. And I can do 2 different things here. I could either get charms from the sticker collection that I have, or I can go to Keynote and get some iDesign shapes out of Keynote. And what's nice about the iDesign Keynote shapes is that you can color them according to your theme. So if you're doing blues or purples or browns this week, you can color all of these Keynote shapes to your color theme. So since I don't want to go into changing colors because I've got other videos on how to do that and how to fill the iDesign shapes. But since I do have a purple dangle, I'm going to use some of these treats for my dangle. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to copy this one because there's purple in there. And like I said, I've got other videos on my channel, and I will link some of them down below that you can watch to see how you can recolor all of these iDesign Keynote shapes. All right, so I copied that and I made it nice and big, and I'm going to copy it again and go over to my dangle. I'm going to zoom in pretty close and paste that sweet treat right here to the end of my dangle. And let me go get another treat. So as you can see, this is kind of themed since I'm using sweet treats. And I'm using them now because they're purple. There's purple in them. And since my dangle is purple, I want to have something with purple in it. Of course, you can change any of the iDesign Keynote shapes to any color palette that you want to use or that you're using for that week. Okay, let's copy this one and paste. And you want to make these a realistic size. And there's our cupcake. So for time's sake, I'm not going to add any more charms, but just to show you some other options, I'm going to copy and paste another one of these sundaes and put it in the middle. And I'm going to get another cupcake and I'm going to put it here at the top. And there's my dangle, a sweet treats dangle. So now let me show you how I notched out to make this look a little bit more realistic. So what I did was I did a screenshot, and that's just simply pressing the home button and the on-off switch, and then your screen flashes, and that automatically adds that screenshot to your camera roll. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press and hold on the screen, and I'm going to tap image. I'm going to go to my photos. I'm going to grab that image, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to crop this top spiral, and I'm going to use the freehand crop in GoodNotes. So down here at the bottom, I'm going to tap freehand. I'm going to first do a really rough crop and say done. So now you can see my very rough crop. Why I do this is so now I can go in and I could really zero in on the crop, because look at how much bigger it is for me now. So I'm going to I can really draw right on the lines almost perfectly. And now this is going to be an excellent crop to fit. Let's see, that needs to be just a little bit smaller. And now it looks totally realistic. That's how you use the new product that's in the DS store called Dangles. These there's 18 dangles, or 18 color dangles, and they come in PNGs and also pre-cropped GoodNotes files that's already ready to go for you. So if you're using GoodNotes, you don't need to download the PNGs. You don't need those. The PNGs are available for those of you that are using any iPad app other than GoodNotes, and then some and any of you that want to use them for scrapbooking or Bible journaling. I hope you enjoy these dangles as much as I enjoyed making them. Until the next video, everyone. Bye.